I'm Rohit Mohindra, and I'm the lead system architect with Armstrong Fluid Technology. And here we are at AHR 2019 show in Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm going to start off by showing you our state-of-the-art Gen 5 parallel centralist enabled Tango pump. So what we have here is we've got two rotating assemblies in our one Tango casing that allows for built-in parallel operation with redundancy in one casing. And so therefore, if one side or one pump should fail, you have complete redundancy by operating on the other side. And obviously with our Gen 5 line, it contains our design envelope pump controller, which is a fully colored LCD touchscreen for intuitive setup and design. And of course, it allows connectivity to Pump Manager and our active performance management to ensure that our pump operates optimally, not only on the day that you bought it, but months and years after. So we talked about the exceptional value and savings that you can get by having your pump connected with our Gen 5 line. But what happens if you've got a slightly older pump that doesn't warrant changing it out completely? Well, that's no problem. We offer a DEPC upgrade kit. And what that allows you to do is replace the existing keypad of your Gen 3.1 and replace it with our brand new design envelope pump controller. And we provide the controller, the wire harness, and a new cover. And within 20 minutes or less, we can upgrade your pump to the latest and greatest with a custom touchscreen display and connectivity to Pump Manager and the internet. Our Gen 5 pumps are not only available in vertical inlines, but they're also available as horizontal pumps with built-in vibration dampening systems where you can get rid of your traditional concrete inertia base and simplify your installation with our built-in vibration dampening springs. And as with our Gen 5 line, it has our design envelope pump controller so that you can take advantage of Pump Manager and active performance management to ensure that your pump is running optimally from the day that you bought it throughout its entire life cycle.
I'm Rich Halverson from Armstrong Fluid Technology. We'd like to introduce you to our Compass R. It's the Compass R 2075. It can max out at 20 feet of head and 75 gallons of flow. It's available in cast iron or stainless steel, so it can be used for potable water or heating and cooling applications. The big difference on the Compass R is that it's ECM technology in a dry rotor configuration. It's not a wet rotor, it's a dry rotor, giving us much higher efficiencies and longer life. There's 8 operating modes. There's an LED readout on the unit itself, which shows watts and gallons per minute flow. It makes it very, very easy to operate. One of the other things that is a great feature is the auto feature. You can just set it to auto and it will find the most efficient point of the application that's required. Another application is the debugging or deblocking. If a circulator sits for a long, long time, a lot of times it'll have a hard time starting up again. It'll actually get iron oxide and it'll sit there and rock. This actually goes into a vibration mode in startup where it will deblock the circulator and allow it to run. So that's cutting down on service calls and giving you longer life. One of the great features about this is every circulator in this range from our competition is a wet rotor, and if it fails, it's pretty much of a throwaway. That's not the case with this. We're reducing our carbon footprint by making this more serviceable and repairable. If you look here, there's a band here, and this allows you, if you remove this band, unbolt it, it allows you to take out the whole operating unit and replace it without breaking the piping or actually throwing away unnecessary parts. One of the other great features about it too is that it's a replacement pump in the fact that it fits in the same flange to flange as our current standard models and a lot of our competition's current models. So you've got serviceability, reliability, cut down on the carbon footprint, and energy savings all wrapped up into a single unit.